The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine August 16, 2023. Russia has likely begun deploying domestically produced one-way attack drones, modeled after Iranian Shahed designs. Russian forces started importing Iranian-made systems in September 2022. Local manufacturing will probably let Russia establish a more dependable supply of kamikaze drones. The performance of these weapons has been inconsistent, and Ukraine has successfully neutralized most incoming drones. Russia's goal is to become self-sufficient in one-way attack drones within months. For now, though, Russia remains reliant on parts and complete weapons from Iran, primarily shipped via the Caspian Sea. The Air Force Command of Ukraine Armed Forces update. In the night of August 16, 2023, Russia attacked the port infrastructure of Odessa using Shahed 136 and Shahed 131 kamikaze drones. The Shahed launches occurred in several waves from the southeast, Primorsko-Akhtarsk, Chauda. The Air Force, cooperating with Ukraine's anti-aircraft defense, neutralized 13 Russian drones over Odessa and Mykolaiv regions. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. The Ukrainian counteroffensive continues to make progress on multiple fronts. On August 16, Ukrainian forces advanced in western Zaporizhia Oblast and along the Zaporizhia-Donetsk border. The Ukrainian General Staff reported ongoing offensive operations near Bakhmut, the Zaporizhia-Donetsk border, and Melitopol in western Zaporizhia. Videos show Ukrainian troops pushing northeast of Urozhaine in western Zaporizhia, suggesting wider gains in the surrounding forested areas after weeks of fighting there. Ukraine also announced the liberation of Urozhaine on the Zaporizhia-Donetsk border, matching earlier reports of withdrawals by Russian forces. The 35th Marine Brigade even raised the Ukrainian flag in Urozhaine's town center. Further Russian claims of Ukrainian attacks south and east indicate Ukraine likely controls most of the settlement. In sum, the Ukrainian counteroffensive is achieving territorial gains on multiple axes, outpacing Russian efforts to regroup and slow its advance. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. Ukrainian forces made further gains in their counteroffensive operations in western Zaporizhia Oblast on August 16, liberating the town of Urozhaine on the border with Donetsk Oblast, according to Ukrainian reports and videos. Russian sources prematurely claimed Ukraine has committed all its main reserves to the counteroffensive based on sightings of Western-equipped units, likely exaggerating the scale of the operation. Russia continued targeting Ukraine's critical infrastructure, conducting drone strikes against port and grain facilities in Odessa overnight August 15 to 16. Ukraine opened a safe corridor in the Black Sea for civilian ships on August 16 to circumvent Russia's blockade, with the first vessel passing through. Russian nationalists increasingly criticized military leadership for failing to train competent mid-level officers to lead forces in Ukraine. Russian senators proposed banning public photos and videos of military activities, expanding efforts to censor war imagery. Russia may use the Army 2023 forum to dissuade cooperation with the Wagner Group and promote state-run private military companies. Sources claimed a top Russian commander was placed under house arrest in early August, indicating further turmoil in military leadership. Russia continued ground attacks across several axes in Donetsk and Zaporizhia oblasts without confirmed territorial gains.